guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this 3D texture French tip nail. So here I am applying my base. This is by Igel Beauty. It is called Angel Face, and I'm going to be applying again from base to tip and then from tip to base. So here is me showing you going from base to tip, making sure that I coat the whole nail completely with that color and trying to get a thin coat as possible. I'm trying to also get out of my comfort zone with doing shorter nails. I love a short nail, but I know there's some girlies out there that love long nails, so I'm trying to put myself to the test and work with long and short nails. So this was a challenge for me, but we made it through. So here I'm just again showing you the base polish application, or how I like to call it is this is my cover acrylic base for my nail. So here we are applying that base color from tip to base.
And then you go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not.
Now going in, you're gonna see me making this French tip line. I learned this from Slay by Val. This is the A method. This is my first time ever trying to do this because I was trying to watch her. I was like, I need some inspiration on how to get this French because I can't get it. So I'm trying the A method that she taught in one of her videos, but it was a struggle for me. Like, yeah, this video is sped up and cut out but it took me a long time to finish just this one hand of press-on nails, but I'm going to show you my struggles through it. I was very satisfied with how it came out. I'm not perfect yet, but we're going to get there. Again, I keep telling you all, keep trying, keep pushing through. The more you do, the more you learn and the more you see. And I need a better cleanup brush. This one, the bristles are not even, and you need a brush that has the bristles even enough to get that curve shape that I was looking for. So here, but listen, I made it work, and I took my time, just giving myself patience, breathing through every finger, saying Lord be with me, but we made it through. So yeah, just take your time. And she calls this the A method, where you make a A shape and then you connect your lines to that smile line. So yes, I'm still learning, and I think the best thing that helped me was cutting those hairs on my my liner brush to help me get better with my lines and the thickness of the polish. So definitely highly recommend you all doing that. But again, I'm just showing you me going back and forth, cleaning up that nail, trying to get it as good as I can and to the desire to where I'm like, okay, I can rock with it. I like the way it turned out. It looks good. So yeah, I'm gonna let you continue to watch me push through and get this French down.
Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Sometimes. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Sometimes.
beginner, I am definitely doing a lot of cleanup, a lot of back and forth, a lot of trying to see, envision where that line would be. And a lot of times it starts with in your mind, with seeing the design in your head and seeing where you want it to be on the nail. So a lot of times I am erasing, looking, as you see me, back and forth, trying to see, okay, where do I want it to go? How can I even these up? How can I make them all look similar? Where do I need to fix it? It all starts with me envisioning what I'm going for in my mind, trying to get that out onto the nail. So sometimes you may have to just keep going back and forth, cleaning up that design, but just it's a process, and you just gotta keep doing it, and then you'll get it. To me, they're never gonna be perfect, but we want to get them as close as perfect as we can, because most of the time they are not truly the same. But if you can get it as best as you can to look the same, you create something beautiful. Again, I say makeup, you can make a lot of mistakes and turn them into something amazing, as long as those nails are cute, different, and be like, yes, I love this set, and gonna get a lot of compliments, you're good to go. So here I skipped over the thumb, because I was like, yeah, this video would be way too long if I put how long it took me to do the thumb. But and I did 2 coats of that lilac, I think its color is called, by D&D. It's gonna all be down in the description box. But now I'm going to be putting the base coat on first, and then I'm going to cure it in the light, and then we're going to get to the fun part of doing the textured design on the tip, on the French tip of the nail. Okay, so here we go. I'm going in with this Macart rhinestone glue. Now, I think I should have had a builder gel rather than this glue, because this glue, baby, was giving me the blues. It was drying fast. It was not, some parts of it I had to wipe the whole nail off to get it exactly right. Like, it was not budging at some point. At some point I was like, it's merging together. It's not giving out the desired look. This first hand right here that I'm showing you, it turned out perfect. I had no problems. By the time I made it to the second hand, I was like, yeah, no, we're gonna need something that doesn't set quickly and it's easy, smooth to use. But I made it through, and we got what we were looking for. But boy, yeah, I'm gonna have to get a builder gel for a lot of these 3D textured designs, because the glue, no, don't budge. But look, they turned out nice. They turned out pretty. So I conquered the design challenge for myself. So yeah, be mindful that rhinestone glue is not good. And I wish, like I said, I could find a glue that has a pointy tip on it that comes out smoother, so that I can squeeze it out. And I did have one. I'm gonna have to go purchase it again so that I can get those desired look. But I love the way it turned out. Again, it was a challenge for me. The more I practice doing it, the better I will become. So yes, I hope you all give it a shot. If you do, let me know how they turn out, because again, it was very fun to watch it go from nothing to something, which I'm always looking for in these nail sets. here is where I'm fighting with that glue, trying to wrap it around that brush, whip it around, and it was like you had to scoop it and then kind of whip that brush around, because this one has like a stringiness to it. So I was like, I have to get in there, whip it around. Sometimes I wasn't getting off enough. I was just like, yeah, we made it, but we again make it work. Keep pushing through, and you will see it come. Alright, this is the final look. I hope you girls enjoy, and I will be back for another video.